With the ACRIS plugin, Mega Menu Pro, use Experience Worlds in the Mega Menu. You can create custom and visually appealing drop-down menus directly with Shopware Experience Worlds. The drop-down menu can be fully designed with Shopware Experience Worlds. A variety of navigation blocks with categories, images, icons, and teasers are available for this. Individual navigation layouts can be specifically assigned to individual categories, and the display and behavior of the drop-down menu can be flexibly configured. We are now on the home page of the Shopware administration and will create an individual mega menu. To do this, we navigate to Content, Shopping Experiences, create a new layout, and select drop-down menu as the layout type. Next, we give the layout a name. A new block category called ACRIS drop-down menu is then available, offering several predefined blocks for different mega menu layouts. We can select the layout we want and customize it to suit our needs. For our demo, we used the 4 columns, vertical images, and icon categories layout. We can now customize each column individually. By selecting a column, we can use the gear icon to open its settings or the arrow icons to replace the current element with another one. First, we configure the first column. Here, we select an entry point, and all subcategories of the selected category will automatically be displayed. We can also choose to hide the main category or make it non-clickable. In addition, we can define the maximum number of displayed subcategories and set a subcategory offset, which skips all categories before the specified position. We can also hide the separator line between the main category and its subcategories and adjust the text alignment. Next, we can optionally add a Show More text and define the sorting of the subcategories. Here we choose Category Tree, so the order of the subcategories matches the category tree. In the additional Layout tab, we can further customize the appearance of the column. Finally, we click Done to save the configuration of our first column. If we want to change how a column is displayed, we can use the arrow icons and select a different element. For example, we can use the same category display as in the first column. The remaining columns can then be adjusted in the same way to create the desired layout. We have now adjusted the remaining columns with the elements we want to display and can configure each element individually. For the icon categories element, we can choose either an icon or an image. We then select the link type with the options Custom Link, Product, or Category. We choose Category as the link type and then select the category we want to link to. Optionally, we can open the link in a new tab and adjust the arrangement of the image and text. We can also add as many additional elements to the column as needed. In the Layout tab, we can further customize the appearance of the element. Then we click Done and configure the final column. For the category box element, we can again select an image and adjust its display mode and vertical alignment. We can again choose the link type, either category or custom link. In our example, we select a category and choose the category we want to link to. Optionally, we can also enable an image animation. In the text box tab, we can further adjust the display settings of the element. Then we click Done and our final column is configured. We will now complete the remaining categories and then take a look at the finished mega menu. We have now finished configuring our mega menu, so finally we save the layout and can now assign it to the desired category. To do this, we navigate to Catalogs, Categories, and select the category where we want to use the mega menu. Then we open the Navigation Layout tab, assign our previously created layout, and save the settings. Now we can take a look at the result in the storefront. We are now on the home page of our shop. When we open the drop-down menu of the category where we assigned our mega menu, we can see the different columns and their configured elements. If we click on one of the menu items, we are taken directly to the category we linked earlier. With Mega Menu Pro, the classic shop navigation becomes a personalized and powerful shopping experience.